Hi guys, today we are working on a 2013 Dodge Advenger. It has been leaking coolant onto the transmission and it was coming from the thermostat housing. I think it's a bad thermostat. This looks like the original one. It looks so old. This one has two thermostats, one up here, one down here and another one up here. To remove this is very easy. All you have to do is remove the air filter housing here. Once you remove the air filter housing, you just need a 10 milliliter socket. You unhook those holes. There are 1, 2 here, 3, and there's a fourth one, 4. Okay, you cannot miss them. They connect to all 4 of these housing. So there is 1 here, 1, 2, 3, and 4. So once you remove them, you will remove a 3 10 milliliter bolt that holds it against the engine, and then you remove that. I've seen a lot of videos that are too long, so I just need to make it short so you guys can get straight to it. So just remove the air filter housing, remove the 4 hoses, 10 milliliter bolt, and this thing is off. It's super easy. Okay, now we are going to put a new one back on. I bought this machine on eBay for $10. This will allow me to suck the coolant from what am I doing? Allow me to suck the coolant from the transmission housing down there. So it's only $10 on eBay. So it's plugged to the battery here, and then I just turn it on and suck it out. Make sure it's really plugged. Okay. To remove the coolant from there, I'm just using this little machine I bought on eBay for $10. I just connected it to the battery, and then it has a bottle here, and it's sucking it to the bottle. So guys, I just put back on the new thermostat housing. So this is how it goes. You see those 3 bolts? 1, 2, 3 there. So it's very easy. 10 milliliter bolt. You just put them on, and you just connect the hoses. One comes from the radiator down here, the other from the top, and 2 back there, and that's it. And make sure you put the sensor back on, and that's it. Thanks for watching, guys.